and using the beige gel. So now the iHole Sensitive Gel Extension is so super easy to apply, and only is essential you need. It is your primer to prep the nails, dehydrated, balance the pH balance, and then the base to, you know, completely is apply the base, and it's just protecting on your nails and have is better adhesions for the tip extension. And then the third one you need is from the essential is tip extension, and then the no wipe top coat to finish it. If you don't want any colors, you can just clear coat and then good to go. So I'm gonna using first thing first, I'm gonna using this beige gels, and I'm gonna turn underneath and apply really smaller thin coat of the beige gel. So you are going to apply the beige gel where you are going to place it on the nails, and then repeat it with the rest of them. With like all 10 of them, you are doing 10 of them. Cure for only 10 seconds. In the meantime, we'll let that cure. I'm going ahead and do the rest of them, and we're waiting for them to cure for 10 seconds. And I'm gonna go ahead and using primer, and I'm gonna apply it on and tie my like 4 fingernails left. I did have a thumbs already for some shorter videos, so I saved 4 of them so then we can show it online, so you can see that if you are doing along with me. I'm so happy this one is just really a good protect by gel extension. It was, I think I hit my nails last time, and it's really cool and it's growing back now. All right, so this one primer is air dry. So, and then I'm go ahead and using the beige gels. This is gonna be awesome for the short nails. I love short and long nails. I enjoy both of the length. It doesn't matter what length it is. I really like it, and I'm still able to perform my works really well as well. And I'm gonna apply the thin coat of the beige gel on all and tie all of them. So if you are doing it for your nails like me, I usually do, whether I'm using gel extension or velvety gels or liquid and powder, I always do my right hand first. So which is mean that I using my non-dominant hand and doing my dominant hand. So I'm always doing it the hard part first, and then I will do the my non-dominant hand. So okay, so base coat is already applied. Just applies the inside and the natural nails, and then cure for 10 seconds. So we likely don't need, and then of course you're gonna do it all and tie the nails that you are going to apply on, and only apply to where it is going to adhere to your nail plate. You can see that if I tilt it, like, can you see it? The little line right there.
Yeah, literally, yeah. Yep,
okay,
yeah.
So cure my nails for like 10 seconds, and then I have all of them ready. They all like have about half of it, because that's where we are going to place the nails. And then I'm gonna have the flash cure, and it's come with your, I think it was a bundle on the gel extension. And it's really cool about this one, it's had the stem on it as well. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take the stem off, so then that way when we cure it will not touching it. You can leave it there, it doesn't matter. So now ready, and the next essential I'm gonna use is to adhere the tip extension to my natural nails is the tip extension glue gels. So we're gonna get like about 1 drop of it, and just swipe it right in the edges of the tips. And then I'm going to like place it about 45-degree angle. Can you see my nails though? Yeah, 45-degree angle. So then to make sure that you will slightly press it down, so then that way it's not going to create a air bubble. Okay, I'm gonna press. I'm not sure you guys can see it. hold still. At this time, if you are doing it, you want to make sure that you are going to hold still. Don't, you know, ask the clients to do a favor to not move. And it's good. You get closer. Okay, let me get closer. And about 10 seconds, and then it starts feeling is solid. It means that the nails will start flash clear. But make sure when you are doing it complete with 5 nails, you are going to place it under the LED light here for 60 seconds full cure to make sure that the tip extension is adheres properly with the keying. Okay, so I am go ahead and turn it upside down and using my twin tip brush. And if you feel like you have an extra of tip extension glue gel, don't really worry about it, just blend it and then place in the LED light flash here quick, because we're going to move on to the next one. So I would do 30 seconds clear flash really quick to make sure that they are clear, so then you can move on to the next one. And then we are going to move on to the next one. Again, we're gonna go back with the tip extension, and I am going to pick the smaller beads. Okay. When you do this for now, you just have to switch it and like and apply it. And then I'm going to turn. I think I'm going to just need just a little bit more. Okay, this might be too much, but we can blend it later. So don't. All right, so we're going to go ahead and place it like you see the 45-degree angle. I'm gonna slightly slowly into the nails and then press it gently. You don't have to do a squeeze really fast and hard, because you don't want to squeeze all of your gel extension. Is if it doesn't know where to go, it will go really fast. It might squeeze it out on the both sides. On the sidewall, you don't want it. It's a lot of excess is tip extension glue gel to squeeze it out. So just slowly, gently press it down, and it will know exactly where to go, because you're going to guide it along with the nails. So let me see. Okay, great. So I'm going to turn and upside down and blend this really quick. Okay. And give it a quick flash cure for like 30 seconds. How's everyone doing? Happy Monday. I'm so excited. And thank you so much for tuning in. And then we have 2 more nails to go. And then we can do is a flash, the disco flash gels. So if you are not sure, your first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Assisting Such a Live tutorial. And then just quick friendly reminder, there's really cool is giving away going on our Instagram and Facebook right now. And we need help naming this collection. Is already have a name on every single of the color already. We need the name is cool and fun names for the collection. And you can't really like all the cameras in the picture can't do it justice. So you have to see it in person. It's so cool though when you're seeing our videos as well. But it's so cool when you are experiencing it yourself and you see how cool this one is. It's really freaking stunning. And moving on the next one, I am going to do my rings fingers. I'm so glad that my rings fingernails is just kind of a cool and healing. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop 1 drop right there. And we are going to do the same thing, 45-degree angle. And slice it right here. You can't go further. Stop right in where is the cuticle is line is. And then we are going to here. I can't see it. Can you back up for just a second? Okay. So you count like maybe 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not fast like this because we just did it already. I'm going to turn it and blend this one. All right, so fast here for 30 seconds. And then we have the pinky to do. And this nails, I'm so excited. It's so solid. It's not flimsy at all. The tip is phenomenal. It's great for even like if you are doing a services, new services, add on new services on your menu for your clients, or you're using a gel extension tip to do the press-on services. And also is for your nails, like if the nail techs, you're busy taking care of everybody, which is your clients and their family. This is something that's great that you can do it. I'm so pleased with this. So I can still have really nice nails. And I still take good care of myself and working and take care of my family and I still have a nice nails. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my pinky. Slide it in. Stop right here where the cuticle line it. Press it down. And using the lamp. You know what? I'll be honest with you. When you're doing with the clients and you have the clamps that you can clamp your flashlights on, it's so faster, so much easier. This is because I do live stream, so it's no space for me to clamp this one. Sometimes I do. It's right in front of me. But if you do it for yourself, you can definitely have it like the LED lamps right in front of you, and here it works great. The same thing. So in the meantime, I'm going to clear this because it have the beige gels in here. It's kind of a little bit tacky. I am going to using the no wipe top coat. So now it is really different if you are do some designs with the matte finish, then you are going to do the matte finish underneath. I mean matte top coat. But if you are doing a shiny, you can definitely doing a top coat on. It's blend so well your tip numbers. And it also, you don't have to clean it all the residue from the beige gels.
Yep, so for the wondering, we use beige gel to put the tip onto your nails. And for underneath, we use no white top coat, depending on whether you want to use matte top coat or shiny top coat.
What do I use to adhere this?
So when you blend it and put some no white top coat underneath, and yeah.
Oh, the tip extension you were telling me? Oh, thank you. All right, I'm going to full clear for 60 seconds. And after that, we are going to using the files is 100 and 180, which is the one I'm using on this hand right now. So I'm going to using on my left hand. And it's not too aggressive. And it's not too, the grid is 100 and 180 is perfect for the gel extensions and velvety gels and also liquid and powder and dipping powder. So after it's finished, I'm gonna just like give it really quick, just clean up on the edges, already size it so you don't have to do a lot of work to size them at all. I mean to shape them, because it's already shaped. Basically it's already shaped the shape that you are going to use.
Yep.
Save you so much time.
This is full coverage, so it will take care of your whole nails. So you don't just glue the tip, you glue on your entire nail. So it will be a lot stronger. And even the material itself is a lot stronger. And
it's so flexible, and then even when it bends, it doesn't give you a like cloudy like the marks at the band because it's never been in recycle before. So it's highest quality and it's not flimsy at all. When you're wearing it, it's solid. It's not you feel like it's flimsy at all, and you feel like you are going to have to be careful when you're wearing it. So